Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.
A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for banana. B is for banana. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. E is for elderberry. F is for fig. F is for fig. G is for guava. G is for guava. H is for honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is for Indian plum. I is for Indian plum. J is for jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. L is for lychee. L is for lychee. N is for mango. N is for mango. N is for nectarine. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for papaya. P is for papaya. Q is for quince. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. U is for ugly fruit. V is for watermelon. U is for watermelon. U is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for zigua. X is for zigua. Y is for yellow passion. Y is for yellow passion. Z is for zucchini. Z is for zucchini.
Thanks for watching Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.